How to make a man want you more. Have you ever wondered how to make a man want you more? One of the things that can be very frustrating for most women is wondering about what they can do to attract men and how to keep their interest. Believe it or not, studies have shown that men are very different than women when it comes to choosing a lover. And it doesn't matter how old you are or how good you look. If you don't understand how men think, it will be hard for you to keep them interested. However, if you watch this video to the end and follow the 13 tips that we are going to show you, you will be more confident around men because you will learn exactly how men think and what makes them feel attracted to a woman. With that said, here is how to make a man want you more. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. And comment down below, I subscribed, and let us welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. Be his biggest believer. If you want to make a man want you more, the first thing you need to do is to believe in him. A big part of attracting any man is showing that you believe in him. For example, if he wants to achieve something, cheer for him when he talks about his career goals. If he's taking the next step with his business, kiss him on the cheek and tell him how proud you are of him. Men love nothing more than appreciation, so whenever they talk about their goals, dreams, and aspirations, let them know how grateful you are that they are sharing their lives with you. Number 2. Deep acceptance. This is one of the things that will make a man want you more than anything else. Men feel loved when they know that you accept them for who they are, even when they make small mistakes. If he makes a mistake or does something wrong, let him know that it's okay and listen to the reason why he did what he did without judging him or making him feel bad. For example, if he's late and apologizes, don't make him feel like he must apologize for his full life. Just because he made a mistake doesn't mean that you should stop believing in him. When a man feels deeply accepted by a woman, he will want her more and even fall in love with her. Number 3. Don't make yourself always available to him. Studies have shown that men feel more attracted to women if they don't always have access to them. It's important to show him that you need some privacy and time for yourself. For example, if he asks you where you were today and you didn't call or text him, just tell him that you were busy without providing too many details. The key is to make them curious, and when you seem a little mysterious, they will be attracted to you even more. Men want what they can't easily have. So let him chase you, and he will appreciate you and your time even more. Number 4. Compliment him. Did you know that men love to be complimented as much as women do? And they love it even more when you say things that make them feel good about themselves. For men, their ego is the most important thing in their lives. So one of the most effective ways to make a man want you more is by telling him how much he means to you and appreciating his power as a man. This compliment is so powerful, and when he feels strong and powerful next to you, he will feel that he needs you more than ever. And this feeling of need will make him want you more. Number 5. Encourage his purpose. Even if your guy doesn't have a purpose in life, just supporting him and encouraging his dreams will make him want you more. So if he talks about wanting to start a business, have more money, or just do something that excites him in his life, make sure to show him that you are by his side. The key is to offer the opportunity for both of you to go after it together. Even if you can't do what he wants to do, just tell him that you will be there for him whenever he needs you. And when he knows that he has someone beside him who believes in his dreams more than anything else, it will make him want you even more than before. Number 6. Make him feel comfortable around you. If you want to make a man want you more, it's important that he feels comfortable around you. So whenever he is stressed or needs someone to talk to about his problems, try your best to be there for him and listen. Studies show that when a man opens up to you, it means that you are special to him because men are usually very careful when it comes to revealing their vulnerable side. When he opens up to you, it means that he trusts you, and making him feel comfortable around you will make him want you even more. Number 7. Create emotional safety for him. Emotional safety simply means that you will always respect his feelings and never judge him no matter what. For example, if he's mad at you about something and you know why, just let him explain everything without interrupting him. When a man feels like he can open up without being judged or ridiculed, he will feel very appreciated and want to be with you even more. One of the best ways to create emotional safety for a man is by asking him if there's anything that you could do to make him feel better when he's upset or sad. It doesn't matter if it sounds silly or strange, just ask him that simple question, because when you show him that you care about his feelings, it will make him want you even more. Number 8. Show him how independent you are. This one is crucial because it's one of the best ways to make a man want you more. And it comes down to showing him that you can rely on yourself and be completely independent. Studies have shown that men get turned off by needy women because it makes them feel as if they can't depend on them and that she can't fully take care of herself. So having your own life and showing him that you can make it through on your own will make him appreciate you and want to be with you even more. Number 9. Make him feel special. We all want to feel special, and men are no different. So, showing him that you think he is special and important will make him want to be with you even more. You can do it by telling him how lucky you are to have him in your life, or simply telling him that he's the first thing on your mind every morning and the last thing before going to bed. Make sure not to overdo it, though. Just tell him once in a while that he is special to you and see what happens. He will feel deeply valued and will be attracted to you even more. Number 10. Taking care of yourself. This means both mentally and physically. Men want to be with someone who is self-confident and knows how to take care of themselves. So, keep yourself clean and healthy and make sure you look your best at all times. Don't forget about your hygiene. Take good care of your nails and hair and have a fresh breath. Do this for yourself, not to impress someone else. And when men see that you take care of yourself, they will feel more attracted to you and want to be with you even more. Number 11. Never pretend to be someone you are not. Faking your personality or pretending to be someone you are not will only lead to misery. Men want to be with someone who is real and down to earth. So if he wants a laid-back and relaxed girl, then don't pretend that you're something you're not. Just show him the real you, and it will make him want you even more. If he doesn't accept you for who you are, then he doesn't deserve to be with you. Number 12. Show him your confidence. Being confident is one of the most attractive qualities that you can have. Men are very attracted to women who know how to be confident and speak their mind. So if you want to make him feel even more attracted to you, then show him your confidence by speaking your mind and not letting anyone push you around. This doesn't mean that you should be rude or arrogant towards others. Be confident, but don't forget to be kind and respectful at the same time. Number 13. Make him feel masculine. According to science, this is the most effective point on the list. It has been proven that there's nothing that men like more than feeling masculine. It will not only make them feel good about themselves, but it will also make them fall deeply in love with the woman that can make them feel this way. So how can you make a man feel masculine? The answer is actually very simple. All you have to do is to learn how to trigger their hero instinct. And you can learn exactly how to do it step by step by clicking the first link in the description down below. It's a powerful psychology guide that will teach you exactly how to make a man fall in love with you using reverse male psychology. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel and the links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.